Okay, Sakshi, have you started working on your concept? Have you sketched something?
Ma'am, I have searched picture now. I'm going to start sketching.
Okay, okay, just sketch it, whatever you feel like
Yes,
the
ma'am.
elements which are for your designs, and then
Yes, ma'am.
show it to me. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Sakshi, one more thing, please. Can you ask others to join as soon as possible?
Yes, ma'am, I can.
Yeah,
Yes,
please.
ma'am. Ma'am, Satvik is asking for the link. I think he is not in that group.
Sakshi, can you show me the images that you have selected?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you show me the images which you have selected for your concepts?
Yes, ma'am, I can. Ma'am, just a minute.
Okay. Yeah, sure. Yes, Sakshi, I can see it. But you're not audible, Sakshi.
Ma'am, is my screen
Yes.
available, visible to you?
Yeah, yeah, yes. Yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am, firstly, the entrance, the classways, I want to design it with little more colorful, more friendly, and to make them understand the road rules also. So this is what I'm gonna do with the entrance.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. And the next is the classroom. Ma'am, like I asked you about the shapes and colors, so there are different shapes over here we could see, so that it
Yeah.
will make more appealing to the kids as well as their motor skills also. It will develop their
Yes.
motor skills.
Yeah.
Ma'am, for the washroom gate, so on the gates there will be some initial which are very kid friendly so that they could understand easily which is the male washroom and which is the female washroom, the girls and boys special.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. And next is these hexagon style. Ma'am, this is like more, there are no sharp edges also. And for the reading area or for the play area to place their toys also during daytime, we can use such kind of a thing. And it is the more space saving thing so that they could get more open space for playing and for other stuff too.
Okay. Nice.
Yes, and the same goes with the ceiling also, so that it makes it all complete and intact.
Okay. So you'll be playing with this hexagon shape on the wall
Yes, ma'am.
for seating
Yes,
as
ma'am.
well as in the ceiling.
As on the
Okay.
ceiling.
Nice.
Yes, ma'am. And with different colors also, the bright colors, ma'am, so that they could learn colors very easily. They can visualize, they can tell colors.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ma'am, the same goes with this also. We can go with this also for seating area or for the relaxation one, not with the height one, but the lower seatings, which will be like space saving again
Yeah,
and
you can have
multifunctional friendly.
these seatings on the wall, which they have provided in the hexagon shape. You can have that
Yes, ma'am.
like on the ground from the floor. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
like not
Yes, ma'am.
too much
Not
of
very.
height.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
True.
these are nice.
And next, yes, ma'am. And next is the washroom. Like it's quite colorful and very attractive, so that it will urge children to keep it clean, and they can recognize
Yeah.
the different characters also. Parallel, it defines that aquatic kind of a thing, and some clouds. As also, there's a wash basin, so it's quite appealing to the kids.
Okay. Make sure then that when you are providing these partitions for your toilet, don't provide the door, or if you are providing
Yes,
the
ma'am.
door, it will be a swing type.
Latch.
It,
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
uh,
ma'am.
yeah, you don't have to put a latch over there. It should be a swing type, or there should be no door.
Ma'am, there is a swing type of a door only.
Okay,
Just a
nice.
knob to hold. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, next comes to the music area or the entertainment
Mm-hmm.
zone for the kids, if we say. So, ma'am, they are very lower seating. Again, the shapes are there. We have played with squares and circles and that music
I can't
icons
see the
also.
image, Sakshi.
Ma'am, is it visible now?
No, I can see only the toilet one.
Ma'am, now is it visible?
Yes, Sakshi.
Ma'am, this is the music room.
Yes.
And again, the shapes are there. There are no sharp edges around. And it's just a little more appealing to the kids so that they can enjoy their rhyming session as well.
Okay.
Ma'am,
You
next we
can
come.
add murals to these wall, like something more dignified for music or a classroom. Uh,
Yes, ma'am.
it is quite simple. It is good, but you can have more creative walls to this.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, next we come to the
Okay.
classroom. Again, we have used the sunny colors over here, little pastel with sunny colors so that it attracts the positive energy all around. And there's a big clock
Yeah.
around so that kids are like it's easily understood to the kids that what the time is, and for the teacher as well to teach the clock or the watch. So this is the main motive
Okay.
because this is what highlighting the whole theme, a big clock on the wall.
Okay. One thing, Sakshi here, because we are designing for very young children, for the toddlers or for the nursery wing, it would be around 6 years to 7 year
Yes,
children.
ma'am.
So you don't have to have this proper table and chair. You can have some like fun elements, some like some um, like furniture with different shapes. It should not have. Well, it's not like it should not, but you can play around with the shapes. You don't have to put a proper like classroom setup because we are not teaching anything on the board. Like not too much,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am. And we
Okay.
have that kind of a setup also. I'll show you, ma'am, one minute.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, this is for the grow up kids. When we are talking about nursery to day boarding, so this is for the grow up kids, the classroom, which is entirely equipped with the library in the classroom as well as the smart class with a blackboard.
No, sorry, but we have like classes say up to first only. Okay, the nursery, the
Ma'am, your
prep,
voice is not clear.
like okay, is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
I am saying that we have children up to 6 years, so there will be classes like PG nursery, like lower kindergarten, upper kindergarten, maximum to first. Okay,
Ma'am,
not
you are
more
again
than
not
that.
audible to me.
Okay, just a minute. Is it fine now?
No, ma'am.
Sakshi, can you hear me? Okay. Am I audible to you now?
Yes, ma'am.
Sakshi, so I was saying that as we are designing this nursery wing, so the children will be only 6 years of age, which is up around like till class one. So it will be playgroup nursery, like lower kindergarten, upper kindergarten, and maximum to first. So we don't need this kind
Yes,
of
ma'am.
setup. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to
Ma'am,
design
I'll
it
show
for
you another
the
setup also.
okay. So that's why I'm saying that this is not needed. It's better to
Yes,
have
ma'am.
that yellow one, but this is not needed.
Ma'am, your voice is gone. And I couldn't hear your voice.
God. Is it better now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So I was saying, like this is not needed, and you can use that sunny one instead. Uh, and what else you have, Sakshi? Sakshi?
Ma'am, I couldn't hear what you're saying. Ma'am, it's a little
Sakshi,
bushy
I'm
voice.
saying.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm texting. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay, Sakshi?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, actually,
Okay.
what I was saying that like we are creating a concept for nursery to the grow-ups also for like most 8, 9, 10 standard students also. So, ma'am, these images
No,
are
no,
for
no. No, we are not making anything for like elder kids for primary school. We are not doing primary school over here.
okay,
We are only sticking
okay.
to the nursery section till class
Then
one.
okay, ma'am.
Maximum is
Okay,
class
ma'am.
one. Yeah.
Then okay, ma'am. Then okay, ma'am. I'm clear with the things. Ma'am, I have more of images like the reception area and the classroom, like you're talking about the little playful tables or chairs like that. I have that also, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, shall I show that?
Yeah. Yeah. Please.
Yes. Ma'am, this is the reception area. This design is basically for the reception area,
Okay.
and I think it's appealing with the colors. The pastel colors have been used, little playful and friendly to the kids also. And on the corner there is a water cooler, which is also in a shape of some candy house or something like that. So I think it's more kid
Yeah.
friendly, ma'am. Can we use it?
Yes. Yeah, yeah, sure.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this is the entire like the seatings are also like this. Another shade of the tree. There are chairs, kind of a thing. A little light natures around.
Yeah. It's nice. You can use
Yes,
that.
ma'am. This is the I'm talking about the chair table setup. Ma'am, again there is a hexagon shape used in this.
Okay, so you will be entirely working on this hexagons
Yes,
only,
ma'am.
no?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's more
Okay.
appealing. It's good. It will come good together.
Okay,
Ma'am, now
nice.
is this setup
You
okay?
can work. Yeah, this is much better than the previous one,
Yes, ma'am.
obviously.
And the bookshelf is in a shape of a house, if you could see.
Yeah, you can totally work on this.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, and one more thing was there that there are different shapes, rectangular, square, triangular, so that kids could learn shapes also very easily and they can recognize them better.
Yeah. You can have a different activity room where I think you have showed that activity room one,
Yes,
right?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Where you
Yes.
have hexagon shapes. Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just start compiling this. Okay, like
Yes, ma'am.
you have your setup. You have different um, like different rooms. You have your setup.
Yes, ma'am.
You can just start sketching your concept. Give them
Yes, ma'am.
like go with a theme. Give a particular kind of color. Like don't like it should be balanced kind of a thing. No, so just go
Yes,
with the
ma'am.
colors which you are using,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
I think you are done with your concept.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
just want to ask one thing. Like I'm using the hexagon shape. For example, when I'm designing the play area for the kids, so ma'am,
Yeah.
the main hero of that whole area is the hexagon shape. So ma'am, I have to firstly I have to design a hexagon over there, and I have to define that it is being used as a seating, as well as the floor seating and a wall seating in a panel. That way I had to design, or the same way it is designed in a picture.
You can define everything on your own. It's not like you are taking a like idea from the picture,
Yes,
but
ma'am.
you can
Yes,
play
ma'am.
along with other shapes as well. You can add few more shapes. Like if it's hexagon, you can team up with
Yes, ma'am.
other shapes as well. It's not like that
Oh,
only hexagon you have to provide,
okay,
and
ma'am.
it's
Okay.
not necessary that you have to provide same kind of wall seatings or same kind of
Hmm.
furniture. You can play along.
Yes, sure.
Okay, then start working on your concept, like start sketching it, and
Yes, ma'am.
whatever you are like you have done with it,
Yes,
just
ma'am.
share on the WhatsApp group then by one.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you,
thank
ma'am.
you, Sakshi.
Thank you so much, ma'am.